sir!
Let's get it!
Yes, sir!
Tell me where are you going? I get you there in a moment. The wheels on the bus get the rolling. Finally push it in motion. You ain't even know I told it, and you know I'm on it, so what's the commotion? I ain't think they would notice that I'm jet fly, rocket propulsion, and I'm finna blow like an explosion. Wash your rappers away like erosion. You can tell them I told you I'm a flow guy. Lyric Jehovah, I'm a flow guy. Lyric Jehovah. Drop the mic now, it's over. I snap, picked it up like I left it.
Out here blogging. You know, we out here hiking and shit. You know me, my nigga Will, big man Makk. He even be on the shit. I'm telling y'all, the whole team do it, man. But if you walk in here like deep enough, you can find a waterfall. The waterfall look nice, bro. Tell me.
Yeah, I'm about to say, Dina and them used to be at the waterfall and shit. Like, nigga.
They probably know their way around this motherfucker though. I just slipped around and found it, and the shit was fishy.
Yeah, when we find the waterfall out here on this song, you
good memory, it's crazy.
I need 10 pictures at least on that motherfucker. Well, last time we was here, bro, niggas found like this mossy ass.
Oh, the shit was fishy.
It, bro.
That nigga, Lawrence got the pictures. I forgot.
They had water and shit running down it.
Nigga face OT.
Stand on that motherfucker real quick, like nigga. Niggas get fishy ass, fishy thing.
Hell yeah.
So this one we actually talking about.
Yeah, probably.
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 Oh shit, let's get next to this water so we can find the waterfall quick. Actually, nigga, I think, nigga, ain't that the water we passed the last
I think so, bro.
Yeah. You taking my picture this time?
I'm gonna have to look over it and see.
All this sheet walking shit.
I don't even got the right shoe equipment. I'm in here, out here in flops. Half a flop for real. But I'm gonna look.
He said, boy, nigga get fucked up down here. He just fucked up.
Nah, this ain't the wall. This ain't the wall. This ain't the wall we was at. The other one was way bigger. We better go down this way though.
Where we going?
This way. Hey, you scared of bridges, bro?
No.
Alright, cause this nigga Will is on some bitch shit. Yeah, bro. This ain't the same one. Oh, this motherfucker worse. Oh shit.
Right.
This motherfucker fishy.
He's stable, cuz.
But it's stable.
He's stable, cuz. Hold on, gotta get the camera.
Hell yeah.
Gotta get the camera going. Look, the waterfall right there.
Where?
Right there. The bigger one, not that far up.
I was about to say that's not the one. Hey, this fishy. Hey, niggas gotta get a pic. It's over. It's fishy. Hey, hold up. I'm at a timeout. I gotta get some pictures.
I already know, my boy.
Got them pictures. Probably gonna have them in there. Shit's fishy. No, I had a vape in this bitch though. I had to ask him for the way though, because I was not trying to take a wrong turn.
At least they knew, you feel me, a little bit where...
That's what I'm saying. At least they was like, alright, it's this way type shit.
I thought they was gonna be on some petty shit. You know they be petty sometimes.
Hell yeah.
You know if we don't know.
He said, nah, we don't.
Should we tell him?
We gotta do a second. Go this way. Cause Makk gonna make that motherfucker. Oh shit. That's what I said. Come on, nigga. Look hiking. Damn. Yeah.
Hey, this shit look nice. Hey, look at this color rock though. I'll be sorry if I drop my phone though.
contemplating on snowboards.
Bruh, I'm telling you, bro. Look, this is shit I hate, bro. It's like every turn. It's another one. This way, straight. This nigga hold his hips. This nigga gonna die.
Can't believe I talk. These niggas talk me in this bull.
Come on, man.
Shit, we getting used to this shit.
I'm about to say, bro, this like my fourth one. I've been doing this hiking shit, bro. This shit ain't shit.
Damn, bro, my arm tired from holding this damn phone.
That's how I told you.
Yeah.
I don't fuck with that.
Gotta be courteous. Woo, shit. I knew he was gonna take your shit. I knew he was, bro. I knew he was. I'm like, bro, it's too hot, bro. Yeah, bro, we going up terrain, bro. We going up high as fuck.
It's good shade. I don't see why y'all niggas hot. All right, wait for the waterfall.
Yeah.
All right, thanks. You good, Makk?
Nigga, I'm straight out here. Check my shirt off.
I feel blessed. Your legs ain't hitting you, is it?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
I'm straight, nigga.
It's a fat ass echo right here.
What?
Oh! Yeah, that echo.
Nah, you just gotta sit down and, you feel me? Let like 5 minutes go past, you gonna be good. Fat nigga shit.
Hey.
Nah, rock. Yeah, it was that sweater, boy. That shit was killing me. I told you it was about to be baking like today, hot as hell. Like,
Hell yeah.
And we going up hills and shit, actually like moving like nigga. That shit do too much.
Sound like we getting close to the motherfucker.
Yeah, it sound like another one. Shit, you can smell that water, can't you? I know I'm not tripping.
Nah, I smell trees and shit. That's all I smell is bud. No, I'm just playing.
The fuck happened right here?
That's all I'm saying. They got shit on the rocks. Doody-doody-da. Hey, bro, chill out, bro. Bro, we gonna get haunted walking out this motherfucker. The earth smells old and warm and mellow, and all things lie at peace. I too serenely lie here under the white oak tree. Goddamn.
That motherfucker.
Oh,
look, it fell over, bro. They ain't shit.
Damn. All these goddamn storms and shit.
For real? Sound like niggas getting close to this waterfall.
Yeah, it sound like it's down here.
We here. Which way we going?
This way.
This one.
Oh yeah. They don't fix this motherfucker up a little bit.
Oh, they got the wood.
That's what I'm saying. Like they got the wall. Like that shit went here. Y'all niggas trying to go down there? You can walk down there. Yeah, this the waterfall right here.
Oh yeah, we walking down there. Let's go.
It's crazy. Yeah, it's a bad idea. I can't lie. Yeah, niggas all found it. Niggas all found it. Damn, it's crazy. Yes, sir. I told you it's nice.
It look nice as fuck. Told you. Yeah. I'm about to say, niggas should just hop this right here. You know, this ain't stopping shit.
That shit over here gonna be muddy and fishy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, how we get up there though?
Going up the other way. Damn, I can't zoom. But y'all see it.
Right back. As soon as you get on the other side, get to it better.
Y'all see the waterfall. Shit nice, man. We done did it. I feel like an accomplished Earth, like Animal Planet ass nigga.
I feel like I'm about to fall from damn crazy. Like for real, every time you come here, I feel like I'm a pirate.
I ain't gonna lie.
Come other way. Let's charge it this shit.
Pirates of the Caribbean type shit. Yeah, we found it though. That's mission accomplished.
Me, space, ghost, perk, and I'll put your bitch to
I'm gonna be back though when we get to the other side. So, you know, it's been like 2 minutes, but we're about to go on this bridge. You can get to see all this shit. I think he might come down right over there somewhere. Generally get some good camera action. Smell watery as fuck. Smell like I'm at a swimming pool. What the fuck? Hey, what you doing over there? Well, big nigga. Hey, it's no swimming. Bruh, she over here about to, I think she was damn near really swimming in this shit.
I will be done, bro.
I might get it from his camera. Bruh, you fucking crazy. You don't see that fat ass spider? I mean, I can't let this nigga out, bitch. Like, man, I can't make him look like make me look like a bitch.
Yo, this nigga is a hoe.
Bruh, it's fat ass spider right here. That's the only reason. Oh, I did it! Hey, got past this. Got past the spider. For real. For the tube, I had to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh,
Yeah!
yes, sir.
Let's get it.
Yes, sir.
I gotta fucking piss. All this water.
Just like when niggas think about when they gotta go piss and shit.
Hell yeah. You know I gotta get y'all up close and personal. Hey. Big B's, bitch. That's gonna be the cover right there. Hey, look, I told you these motherfuckers out here swimming, bro. Look, I told you they out here swimming. This shit nice, bro.
I'm gonna think, how can niggas get a fishy ass pig?
This hold this like this.
Thumbnail?
Huh?
Thumbnail?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, matter of fact, nigga,
Oh shit!
you on the stuff for real. I gotta get it. Whoa. Hey, that shit cold as fuck, bro.
It's cold, bro. I'm walking in flops. It's cold. This shit is cold, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit is worth it. Look how this is like it go down to like a. Oh yeah, shit nice. Ooh, big wet spot. Hey, you're right there. Right there. You sit on that wall over there. Nah, over there. You know I gotta get my nigga together. It's dry right here. Oh, yeah.
Why did you get the waterfall winning?
I am, nigga.
That's him?
Yeah.
That's him?
Yeah.
Let me see it, bro. This is a once in a lifetime picture, bro.
Let me get him on.
Oh, no. You gotta scoot up, bro. Get the head start with the. Damn near why you right here type shit. Like, you're like,
Sun glare. Oh, that's fancy. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. I got the sun glare in there, bro. It's fishy. You can't tell me that ain't. Yeah. Alright.
Damn, I wish I had this nigga Mars with me.
For real, bro. His camera's so crispy, bro.
Man, you had to get one for the subscribers, man.
Hey, we out here, man. We found the waterfall. Hey, we left my nigga Makk, man. It's starting to stink. Hey, I had to get down here though. I can't lie. I can't let a spider scare me. I'm going up a different way though. I know that. That spider can miss me with that weak shit. Yeah, that was nice. Holy shit, it's another one. Oh, fuck! It's a fucking spider. What? What's up? I'm called to the duty. Oh, shit. Oh. Getting called to duty. I'm thinking my nigga. What's up? What's up? What you find? Huh?
Sound bad.
Oh, you sell bud?
Yeah. Don't even smell it. It's medical.
Throw it away.
Sativa.
I thought he done found something.
What fuck the weed is this? Sativa. Okay, medical. How much you got it for?
Wow, shit. You already know big vlog shit.
Let me see.
That's the
Big nigga out here.
iPhone cameras, boy.
Yeah, I'm out here. Big vlog.
Hey.
You know.
I gotta have my big nigga, man.
You know. Ooh, don't want to see that.
Alright, no, man.
We out here in the woods.
Just in case some animals come out, man. I got my big nigga.
You know. Got a nigga out here sweating. It's cool out here though.
I ain't gonna lie, it's nice out here though.
Yeah.
It's smooth. Shit, gotta whip y'all around. Hell, look at this. Look at this. Look, shit on trees.
That's what I'm saying. Did y'all get some nice pictures down there?
Hell yeah. I'm about to show you. This motherfucker's nice. It's nice out here.
I feel like I'm getting big.
Probably is, bro. You big nigga, bro.
I,
I'm about to go down this way real quick.
I've been doing plumbing and flooring for the past 10 years.
Shit, fuck it. We might as well go that way.
Oh, this shit lit right here. I gotta find my way down. Now I gotta get my support. Yeah. Like this motherfucker drying out. Used to be like it used to be a waterfall right here. Damn, it ain't flowing the same. Motherfucker dripping leaks. Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm about to die! I had to get down here though, I want to see this. Oh shit, I almost died, y'all. I almost fucking died. Just Q-tip. Don't wear no fucking flops when you going fucking hiking. About to go over here. Wish me luck. I hope this motherfucker don't make me slip and drop my phone. Oh shit, you see that fucking spider, it's over. This is what I came down. You know I be on my shit though. On my Tomb Raider shit. My niggas out here about to smoke this nigga shit. I already know how it's about to go.
Man, if I had my foot. Which way y'all trying to go?
I'm going this way. Y'all with it? Catch up with you? Huh? When y'all got a lighter?
It ain't gonna be nobody up this way.
Fuck that bud, bro.
This hour? No, everybody's coming out.
Hell yeah.
I mean, you still got an hour. You could walk for 30 minutes. You get pretty far for 30 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take out spot. Another hot spot, some other spot.
What's up this way?
Big ass just up and around, over and around. You go across the river back there. And you reach civilization again.
That's cool. Go out. I say we got our mission done. So let me outro this. So we did get the waterfall. Got y'all nice little view and all that.
Yeah.
You already know. But I'll meet y'all back on the next video. Peace.
Hey, bro, we going straight up this time. We ain't doing all those fucking rocks.
I think you got to.
Couldn't ride my wave in a jet ski. One goal, stack band. Stay on my toes like it's tap dance. This is me and my bros, I don't have friends. Touch me and my bros, let the strap dance. Spot a snake, know what it's time for? Time you start up your lawnmower. Got two options, I start up my lawnmower. Slither off of Vietnam War.